Hey guys, welcome back to section 4 staying safe mock test. As always, to get the best results from these videos, make sure you put all distractions away. Prepare yourself as if you are doing the exam in the real test center. That means no phones, no electronic devices. Put all distractions away and just focus on the video. But before we start this video, I just want you guys to watch this quick little clip. Before we start this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the SERU revision handbook I have created. This book is perfect for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It has multiple choice questions from section 1 to 10, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can view this in your phone, tablet, computer, or any electronic device. You will be able to go through it in your own time. The questions in this handbook will not be on my video, so you'll be getting your money's worth. It's only £19.99 right now, so not too expensive, especially when you consider it has over 80 practice questions covering section 1 to 10. So make sure you scan the QR code right now on the screen or use the link in the description. I will also have a QR code on the screen in the corner somewhere for you to check it out. If there are any issues with the link, I will update everyone through the comments on my videos, so make sure you guys go pick it up. That's right guys, if you are interested in buying the course, there will be a QR code somewhere on the screen during the video, so do scan the QR code and it will take you directly to the website. Anyways, let's get into the questions. Question 1. What should you do if a passenger in your vehicle becomes angry or violent? Is it A, ignore their behavior and continue driving? B, call the police immediately? C, politely ask them to stop their behavior and continue driving? D, inform them that behavior is unacceptable, and if safe, ask them to leave. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is D. Inform them that their behavior is unacceptable, and if safe, ask them to leave. Question 2. What is considered a hate crime? A, any behavior that upsets you for personal reasons. B, offensive or violent behavior directed at you based on your personal beliefs. C, offensive or violent behavior towards you for any reason. Or is it D, offensive or violent behavior based on your race, faith, orientation, disability, or gender identity? So pause the video now and pick answer. The answer is D. Offensive or violent behavior based on your race, faith, orientation, disability, or gender identity. Question 3. What should a driver do to help ensure a safe service for passengers and their own protection? Is it A, carry a lone worker device at all times? B, refuse any passengers who don't provide booking details? C, discourage passengers from asking about the fare? Or is it D, discuss with the operators ways to prevent aggressive or violent passenger behaviors? So pause the video now and pick answer. The answer is A, carry a lone worker device at all times. Question 4. Why is it important to check the passenger's name and destination before they get in the vehicle? Is it A, to ensure that the passenger is carrying the correct fare? B, to minimize any wait time for the passengers? C, to make sure the passenger doesn't enter the wrong vehicles? Or is it D, to determine the route to the destination? Pause the video now and pick answer. The answer is C. Make sure the passenger doesn't enter the wrong vehicle. Question 5. What are some strategies to reduce the chance of someone being violent or aggressive towards you? Is it A, raising your voice and arguing with the person? B, interrupting the person whilst they're speaking? C, talking calmly and not raising your voice? Or D, ignoring the person's concerns and questions? Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is C, talking calmly and not raising your voice. Question 6. What should you do if you cannot reduce the risk of violence while transporting someone? Is it A, stay inside your vehicle and continue driving? B, attempt to resolve the situation by arguing with the person? C, confront the aggressive person directly? D, exit the situation and find somewhere safe to stop the vehicle? Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is D, exit the situation and find somewhere safe to stop the vehicle. Question 7. What should you do after an incident when transporting someone to help avoid it happening in the future? Is it A, keep it to yourself and don't discuss it with anyone? B, report the incident to relevant authorities? C, ignore the incident and continue as usual? Or D, seek support from the person who caused the incident? Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B, report the incident to the relevant authorities. Question 8. Why is it important to know where you can go for help after an attack or assault when transporting someone? Is it A, to confront the attacker personally? B, to ignore the incident and move on? C, to report incidents that almost happen? Or D, to find out your operating's reporting procedures and who to contact? Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is D, to find out your operator's reporting procedures and who to contact. Question 9. What information should you include when reporting the incident that occurred during the transport? A, information about the attacker such as the name, address. B, only the location of the incident. C, details about the weather at the time of the incident. Or D, a brief description of the incident without any additional details. Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is A. Information about the attacker such as the name and address. Question 10. What does the Information Commission CCTV Code of Practice require in relation to the operation of CCTV in vehicles? Is it A. It doesn't require any signage of CCTV operation. Signage must be displayed when CCTV is in operation. Signage is only required on public transportation vehicles. Signage is only required when there is an incident. Pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B. Signage must be displayed where CCTV is in operation. So that's the end of the question, guys. Do remember to subscribe and like the video if you did enjoy the video. Good luck to anyone that is preparing for the upcoming SERU test. I do wish you the best, and if you are interested in the course, make sure you do scan the QR code somewhere on the screen and it will take you directly to the course if you are interested in buying the course. But thank you guys for watching and have a great day.